What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. So in this video I am going to talk about a designer fragrance from the house of Lalique, and here I'm talking about ENCRE NOIRE À L'EXTRême, whatever it is. For me, this is ENCRE NOIRE À L'EXTRême, and this is a flanker of a very famous perfume with the same name, ENCRE NOIRE. If you are into these dark kind of fragrances, and if you are looking for a very nice designer perfume to be used in this cold weather, then you must try ENCRE NOIRE À L'EXTRême. And in my humble opinion, this is the best flanker of ENCRE NOIRE. So let's start a review, and as always we will start with the presentation first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So this is the packaging. You can see this is a black box with a beautiful golden line going around in the midsection, and you can see the design and branding. And here in the bottom you will get a lot of ingredient details, your batch code, etc. So this is the box, and now let me show you the bottle. And I am really loving this perfume, and here you go. The bottle is very similar to the bottle of ENCRE NOIRE, the original one. The only difference here is this division of transparent glass and this painted glass. This is how the bottle looks, and you can see the color of juice. It looks really sexy. The cap here is made of wood and it's tightly fitted here, so you have to pull it out, and you will get the branding of Lalique here on the top of the cap. So this is about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. Let me give you the notes breakdown, and then I will try to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So here in the top you will get cypress, alumi resin, bergamot. In the middle you will get Haitian vetyver, incense and orris. In the base you will get benzoin, sandalwood and patchouli. So this is the notes breakdown. And now I will try to explain that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, I will try to explain this perfume for those people who have already tried ENCRE NOIRE. So ENCRE NOIRE is based on vetyver. It's woody, it's a little bit fresh, and then there is an inky note. It's very famous for that inky note, and overall it's a very nice scent. It's woody, it's dark. You will also get some cypress in there and with some cashmere. So that's about ENCRE NOIRE. So all of you guys who have already tried that perfume, take the same DNA and then amp it up with incense and smoke with some LMA, and you will get this ENCRE NOIRE À L'EXTRême. It's more dark, more complex, more gothic kind of scent. And now for the people who haven't tried ENCRE NOIRE. So this is a soft, woody and incensey scent. It opens with a lot of vetyver and incense and smoky notes. Vetyver is providing that woody, earthy, deep and dark kind of vibe here. On the other hand, incense is bringing that sweet and smoky kind of vibe. Then there's a touch of greenness here in this perfume due to the use of cypress, of course. And then you will get a beautiful, soft, sweet sandalwood in the base. So the opening of this perfume is woody and earthy. And then towards the second phase, it becomes a little bit more incensey, and it becomes a little bit more sweet. It will become a little bit balsamic. You will start to get that beautiful note of benzoin here. And then the final dry down is dark, woody, incensey and smoky. So overall, a beautiful scent. I'm really loving it. So all you guys who like dark and woody kind of perfumes, you must give it a try. So this was about the fragrance, and now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So let's start with the performance first. So the performance of this perfume is really good. You will get a longevity of around 8 to 10 hours on your fabric, and the projection is around 1.5 hours to 2 hours max. This is a not very strong scent. Yeah, it's a complex scent, it's woody, it's a deep and dark kind of scent, but it's not a beast kind of scent. It will stay near to you, and once you are going to interact with people, they will be able to smell it. So this is about the performance. For me, it's great, it's enough. And if we talk about the gender, personally I would love to sniff this perfume on men, but ladies, they can try it, they may like it. For the age group, you should be a little bit mature. And if you talk about the season or weather, this is a perfume to be used in cold weather. And now let's talk about occasion. So I will leave it totally up to you. This is a perfume which you can rock in almost any kind of scenario except your gyms and sports activities. It's totally up to you if you want to rock it in your dates. But yeah, if you're going to pubs, if you're going to clubs, if you're going to party, you can rock it. You can also use this perfume in your office because it's not very strong. So this was about the occasions, and this is a very sophisticated, dark, mysterious kind of scent. So now let's talk about the price. So this perfume is not very expensive, it's very affordable, but the quality you will get here is extraordinary. I have paid, I think, around 110 or 20 UAE dirhams for this. I bought it 2 years back. I don't know the current price of this perfume, but you can check in your own country because prices are different in different countries. Overall, for the price of like 120, 130 UAE dirhams, this is a real banger. You will get amazing quality, you will get a beautiful scent profile, and you will be loving it. So this was my review about ENCRE NOIRE À L'EXTRêME. I hope you liked it. I'm going to catch you in another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.